Maths is about looking for patterns and then generalizing those patterns. In this case, pattern 0 starts, pattern 1 is getting smaller, and pattern 2 is getting smaller still. The number of blocks is going down each time. It starts at 17, and then goes to 15, then goes to 13. Each time it's going down by 2. If a number is going down by 2 each time, it's like multiplying by -2, or writing the -2 times table. 0 times -2 is 0, 1 times -2 is -2, 2 times -2 is -4. That, however, is not our final pattern. We need to see what we need to do to get from 0 to 17. We will have to add 17. To get from -2 to 15, we'll have to add 17. To get from -4 to 13, we have to add 17. So each time we're doing the same thing to our pattern number x in order to get our number of blocks y. Each time we start with our pattern number, which will be called x. We're going to times it by 2, or times it by -2, and then we're going to add 17, and that's going to give us the number of blocks y. X times -2 can be written as -2x plus 17 is equal to y, or we could write it as y. To find the number of blocks, we have to do -2 times our pattern number plus 17, and there's our general rule. What is the highest pattern number that you can make? If you keep on taking off and getting smaller and smaller each time, then eventually there won't be any blocks left. We're taking off 2 each time, so we're taking off 2 each time, and there were only 17 first of all. So the question is, how many times can we take off 2 if we're going to be able to get to 17? Well, if we do 2 times 8, that is going to be 16, so there's only 1 left. So the highest pattern number that we can actually make would be pattern number 8, and there will just be 1 block in pattern number 8.